AEG Total Flex hobs give you ultimate flexibility during cooking, allowing you to place your cookware anywhere on the hob's large responsive glass surface. With intuitive active touch technology, the hob will automatically detect cookware of any shape or size, and the corresponding slider control will light up so you can set your desired power setting. When needed, it will activate the bridging function, pairing multiple smaller zones with shared temperature and time settings. Once a cooking zone is in use, its individual timer can be accessed quickly via the touch display. To set the timer, press the clock icon on the cooking zone and you'll see the minute count and plus and minus appear. Use these to set the required amount of minutes. After around 3 seconds, the timer will begin to count down automatically. Once complete, the timer will flash and a signal will sound. To silence the signal, touch the clock icon. TotalFlex hobs also have a useful power slide setting, allowing you to create power slide areas where you can slide the cookware to adjust the power settings. For example, taking a pan from boiling to simmer and then keep warm. You can set your power slide zone like this. Your TotalFlex hob also has hob-to-hood technology, where it will automatically link via infrared to a compatible cooker hood. When this icon is red, it symbolises the appliances are paired. The hob and hood then communicate and the fan speed adjusts as necessary, allowing you to focus on your cooking. To get the most out of your appliance, we recommend connecting it to the My AEG Kitchen app and familiarising yourself with your user manual, which can be downloaded from the AEG website. If you need any more help or advice, our consumer care team will be happy to help.